Hello and welcome to Sonic Academy's Guide to Understanding Compression. Over the next few videos, we'll take an in-depth look at compression, the basic controls, how to use it effectively, and tips on how to avoid the common pitfalls. So what is compression? Compression is one of the most used tools in the production environment, but probably the least understood. And while it can help control the occasional loud guitar note or over-enthusiastic vocal performance, in the wrong hands it can remove any dynamic range and punch your track once had, leaving you with a lifeless and dull-sounding mix. To understand how to use compression correctly, it's important to understand how it works. Put simply, a compressor is an automatic volume control. It can reduce the difference between the loudest and quietest parts of an audio signal, You can also use it to tighten up a bass track, make a drum track more punchy, or the very popular sidechain gating effect. So now we know what a compressor is used for. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at the controls.